Once you have collected attendance and poll data during a session, you can access that data under the Reporting tab. Once on the reporting page, you will need to click Create Report. Please note that gradebooks and pivot table reports are currently the only report types that allow you to view attendance data. We recommend gradebook reports for overall engagement and attendance summaries, and pivot table reports for more detailed data reports. For this demo, we are going to select Gradebook Report. Next, you will need to select the activities that you collected attendance data on. Once you've selected those activities, click Create Report. Now you should be able to see your report, which includes both data for participation and attendance. Please note, if you did not have attendance management enabled before sharing the activity with participants, then attendance data will not appear here.